So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install apps in Google TV. So you can be able to open a Google Play Store, and in Google Play Store you can be able to get different types of apps. There is entertainment, there are movies, there are music, there are fun and games, streaming, and other kinds of apps that you might be able to want to use. So for this one, I'll be able to do an example of FIFA. I will download FIFA, so you simply open FIFA and say install. So it's installing. So once it's installed, you can be able to open it. It's downloading and then installing. And alternatively, you can be able to download an app using browser, or you can use an APK on a flash disk and put from media and be able to install. But for this one specifically, it's for Play Store, which is highly recommended, and it works very well. So it's installing the FIFA, the one that I've just actually downloaded. It's installing. Then depending also on the size, I can be able to even see other details of the ratings and other settings. You can be able to see them from other people who gave the feedbacks. So it's installing, we give it time. Once it finishes, you can be able now to open it and use it. Thank you. Thank you. It's opening. Thank you very much.